Hi there. I'm Dr. Diallo, an academic coach and test prep expert with Study.com. Are you currently preparing to take the FTCE Business Education 6 through 12 with testing code 051 assessment? This assessment covers the subtopic of knowledge of information technology. If so, you are in luck because I am here and will walk you through a few sample test questions and other test taking strategies. Let's begin by looking at problem number 1. Which of the following practices is most important for reducing strain while touch typing for extended periods? A. Keeping fingers as high above the keys as possible between keystrokes. B. Positioning the keyboard at a higher level than the elbows. C. Using only the index fingers to strike keys for increased precision. Or D. Keeping wrists straight and floating above the keyboard. So our keywords within our question, we're wanting to pay close attention to reducing strain while touch typing. So as we look at our answer choices, we'll notice that D is the correct answer, and here's why. Maintaining a neutral wrist position is crucial for avoiding strain and injury when touch typing, especially for long durations. This position helps to reduce the risk of repetitive strain injuries, RSIs, such as carpal tunnel syndrome, which can occur from prolonged typing with improper form. The other answer choices are not suggested due to the risk of overuse and injury from repetitive movements, so therefore D is definitely going to be the best answer choice for this question. Which of the following best describes the impact of 5G technology on Internet of Things, IoT devices? A. Increases the physical size of IoT devices due to additional hardware requirements. B. Reduces the battery life of IoT devices because of higher power consumption. C. Enhances the ability of IoT devices to connect over longer distances. Or D. Limits the number of IoT devices that can be connected within a network. So we want to pay close attention to the key word 5G technology. Well, when we look through the answer choices, we will obviously see that some are benefits and some are negative issues of an impact. So let's look at these answer choices. The answer choice that's going to be the most appropriate for this question is C, enhances the ability of IoT devices to connect over longer distances, and here is why. 5G technology is known for its high-speed data transmission and reduced latency, which significantly improves the performance of Internet of Things IoT devices. One of the key benefits of 5G is its ability to enhance connectivity for IoT devices, allowing them to communicate more effectively over longer distances compared to previous generations of wireless technology. This advancement is crucial for the deployment of IoT solutions in various sectors, including smart cities, agriculture, and healthcare, where devices often need to operate over vast areas. The other answer choices, A, B, and D, could all be considered as negative impacts of 5G technology. Therefore, through a process of elimination, C is the correct answer. Enhances the ability of IoT devices to connect over longer distances. In entry-level computer coding, which of the following best describes the purpose of using an if statement? A, to execute a block of code multiple times. B, to define a new function or method. C, to make a decision based on a condition. Or D, to declare a new variable. So once again, we want to pay close attention to the key words within the question. We are focused on entry-level computer coding and what will happen when we use an if statement. What is the purpose of the if statement? An if statement is actually a fundamental concept in computer programming used to control the flow of a program by making decisions. It allows a program to execute a certain block of code only if a specified condition is true. This decision-making capability is essential for handling different scenarios within a program, such as performing actions based on user input, processing data differently. Choices A, B, and D are all important computer coding actions. However, none of these choices answer the if statement other than choice C. Therefore, choice C is going to be our best answer for this question. When a computer frequently crashes or freezes, the first step in troubleshooting should be to A. Replace the motherboard, B. Check for software updates or bugs, C. Increase the computer's RAM, D. Defragment the hard drive. Our keywords within this question, we must notice that it's discussing crashing and freezing and what the first step is. So when we think about answering this question, we must keep those keywords in mind. When a computer frequently crashes or freezes, it is often due to software issues such as bugs or outdated software. The first step in troubleshooting this problem should be to check for and install any available software updates, which can include operating system updates, driver updates, and patches for known bugs. This approach is both cost-effective and efficient, as it addresses common software issues that can lead to system instability. Answer choices A, C, and D are all common issues with computers when they crash. However, the most common and recommended first steps due to cost effectiveness definitely is going to be answer choice B. Well, hopefully you found that video to be informative and helpful. If so, be sure to check out more videos on this channel. Please remember to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any more of our awesome video content. You can also get a lot of help from our website at study.com. As a member there, you can access short, targeted video lessons, extra study materials, personalized study plans, and hundreds of practice problems. Those who have used study.com in the past have over a 92% passing rate. And don't forget to tell us what you think. Share your feedback with us about your experience. Wishing you all the very best on your test. Good luck.